To add widgets to the lock screen on the Samsung S26 Ultra, let me show you two methods. The first one, it's hidden. So first of all, we have to open the S26 Ultra settings and go for wallpaper and style. Now click here, and first of all, as default, you can only find this option to add this small widgets over here. But if you go into the Galaxy Store, download from applications this one, it's called GoodLock. There we go. You will have to download this one. Now, when it will open, we have to get the additional plugin. So it's called the Lockar. We have to download this plugin and take a look. Now, when you click here, we can find app widgets. So we can add, for example, this widget, but not in this small area, but we can add it here. And we can make it bigger, much bigger. So it's super hidden option that allows you to expand your lock screen like never before. So yeah, this is it. If you want to, by the way, remove these widgets, you have to click and hold it and now drag to this recycle bin icon. And after you change everything, you will have to click done in the right upper corner.